Okay, I guess we have a work question. Suppose you lift a stone that has a mass of 5.7 kilograms off the floor onto a shelf that is a meter high. How much work have you done? Well, you go, oh man, this is easy. This is going to be plug into the work equals force times distance equation, right? Not so fast, because we know the distance, but we don't know the force. We just know the mass of the object that we're working on, right? That we're lifting. So what do we got to do? We got to go back to our F equals ma equation, right? That's mass times acceleration. And let's see, in our acceleration, it's going to be, this force is going to be measured in newtons. What are newtons? They're kilograms times mass over second squared. So mass times acceleration, right? Okay, so we got to figure the force out, so then we can plug into this equation to get the work. So what does the force equal? What's the mass? It's 5.7, right? Kilograms. What's the acceleration? What is the acceleration? What are we working against? We're working against gravity. Who remembers the acceleration due to gravity? 9.8 meters per second squared. That's something ingrained in my head from my engineering days that I will never, ever, ever forget in my life. 9.8 meters per second squared. So this is, we end up with kilograms times meters over second squared, we end up with newtons. So we have 55.86 newtons. Guess what? That's our force. So now our work equals the force times the distance equals, what's the force? The force is with you. Sorry. Okay, times, that's newtons, right? Times what? What's the distance? 1 meter equals, so you just get 55.86 Newton meters. But do you know what the another name for that is? Another thing ingrained into me is a unit of work is joules, and it is Newton times meters. Okay? So the trick here was, because I think some people would just go, oh, 5.8 times 1, and they think that, 5.7 times 1, they think that's the answer. But first we had to convert our mass into force. We had to take into account gravity for acceleration, and then we had to do the simple multiplication to find the work. Okay, so I hope that helps.